Good morning, all. So I'm going to do something this morning. I'm going to make some fritters, some saltfish fritters for breakfast. So I came to do a little tutorial for you guys. So here I have about probably about a pound of codfish that has been picked really fine. I have in this bowl about a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. I have in this bowl 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and all my dry ingredients, which is in this bowl, which is about a teaspoon of ground paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I have here a cup of water, thyme, scallion chopped finely, onion, tomatoes, half of a teeny Scotch bonnet pepper, and sweet peppers. Stay tuned. Okay, so here I am back again, and all the ingredients have been put together. I took all the dry ingredients and I mixed it through with the flour and the baking powder first, and then I added in all the wet ingredients, which is the ingredients that I showed you in the previous tutorial. So I'm just going to show you now how to mix it out. So you just put about maybe a cup of water. Not too much water, because you want to make this a thick consistency, almost thick like you're going to make porridge. So you want to just mix it out until you add a little bit more water if you need to. And then you just continuously mix it out. It's kind of hard for me because I'm doing it one-handed. I don't have anybody to video this morning. So you just mix it out until it's a certain consistency and ready for you to drop in the hot oil. I'll come back and show you the finished mix in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, so here I'm back. So this is the consistency that you want. You want it to mix out like that. And then once it's mixed out, I already have here a pot with about 2 cups of oil that has been heated. And I'm just going to show you. Some people, when they put it in and then they flatten it. I want balls. I want them to be like little bite-sized balls. So I'm not going to flatten them today. However, this might be a little difficult for me because I'm one-handed today, right now. But just kind of like drop it in the hot oil. And then you don't want to overcrowd the pot so that they can come out crispy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside. So you just add a few in there. You don't want to overcrowd the pot. Turn the fire down a little bit. Okay, I'm back. So sorry for that cough at the end and the video cut off right away. So basically these are done. You only let the fritters fry for maybe about 4 minutes. And they're very tiny. They're little balls. And so that's the first batch. And you just kind of like drain the oil off using a spoon with some type of a hole in it. And you put it, I put it on a paper towel to kind of absorb the excess oil or allow the excess oil to drain. So this is what the balls look like. The fritter balls, and they're really, really good, tasty, bite-sized. You just toss them in your mouth and eat them. Really yummy. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you've enjoyed another tutorial. I'll see you next time. Have a good morning.